Bananas Mega Factory, processing millions of bananas using modern technology. Bananas are among the most consumed fruits worldwide, cherished for their natural sweetness, affordability, and nutritional benefits. From breakfast smoothies to baked goods and baby food, bananas have become a global staple in homes and kitchens. However, the process of getting bananas from farms to our tables is far more intricate than it appears. Behind the scenes are banana megafactories that leverage cutting-edge technology to process millions of bananas daily. These factories epitomize efficiency, sustainability, and innovation, ensuring that every banana meets global quality standards while catering to a vast array of consumer needs. Global banana production has surged in recent years, exceeding 116 million tons in 2023, driven by countries like India, Ecuador, and the Philippines. Bananas are not just a fruit, they are a lifeline for many economies, providing employment to millions and acting as a critical export commodity. However, meeting the enormous global demand involves more than just cultivating bananas. The key lies in processing, packaging, and transporting them with precision, a feat made possible by banana megafactories equipped with modern technology. The heart of banana processing, technology-driven efficiency. At the core of every banana megafactory is a sophisticated production line. This starts with the arrival of raw bananas, transported in bulk from plantations. Bananas are unloaded into washing stations, where high-pressure water jets remove dirt, pesticides, and other residues. Modern factories often use food-safe sanitizing solutions to ensure the bananas are not only clean but also safe for consumption. From here, the bananas are sorted. Gone are the days of manual sorting. Today's factories rely on advanced imaging systems and artificial intelligence, AI. These systems scan each banana in milliseconds, assessing its size, color, ripeness, and any visible defects. Based on these parameters, bananas are graded and directed to different processing lines. This automation not only speeds up the process but also ensures consistency and quality, which is vital for both fresh and processed banana products. One of the most revolutionary advancements in banana factories is automated peeling. Peeling a banana might seem simple, but when you're processing millions, manual peeling becomes impractical. State-of-the-art peeling machines mimic the natural motion of human hands while minimizing waste. These machines can peel hundreds of bananas per minute, ensuring a seamless flow in the production line. Beyond fresh bananas, diversifying banana products. While fresh bananas dominate global markets, processed banana products are gaining popularity. Banana chips, puree, dried slices, and even banana powder are just a few examples of value-added products. After peeling, bananas destined for chips are sliced thinly and fried or baked in large industrial ovens. Factories use controlled temperature systems to ensure uniform texture and flavor. For banana puree and baby food, peeled bananas are mashed into a smooth consistency using specialized machines. These purees are pasteurized to extend shelf life while retaining their natural flavor and nutrients. In some facilities, banana puree serves as a base ingredient for smoothies, ice creams, and bakery items. Dried banana slices are another popular product. Factories use dehydration technology to remove moisture from the fruit without compromising its taste or nutritional value. These slices are then packaged and sold as healthy snacks, often enriched with natural sweeteners or coatings. Packaging innovations for banana products. Packaging is a critical aspect of banana processing. Fresh bananas are often packed in protective sleeves or boxes designed to prevent bruising during transport. Many factories use eco-friendly materials, reflecting the growing consumer demand for sustainable packaging. For processed products, automated systems fill, seal, and label packages with remarkable precision. Smart packaging technologies, such as QR codes, are also becoming common, providing consumers with detailed product information, including origin, nutritional content, and storage tips. Sustainability at the core. Banana megafactories prioritize sustainability in every aspect of their operations. The byproducts of banana processing, such as peels and stems, are recycled into animal feed, organic fertilizers, or biofuels. Advanced waste management systems ensure that nothing goes to waste, contributing to a circular economy. Energy efficiency is another focus area. Many factories are adopting renewable energy sources like solar or wind power to reduce their carbon footprint. Water recycling systems help conserve water, a critical resource in fruit processing. Some factories even use carbon-neutral processing methods, setting new benchmarks for sustainability in the food industry. Addressing ripening challenges. One of the biggest challenges in banana processing is managing the ripening process. Bananas are climacteric fruits, meaning they continue to ripen after being harvested. To control this, factories use ripening chambers equipped with precise temperature and humidity controls. These chambers utilize ethylene gas to regulate the ripening process, ensuring that bananas reach consumers at their preferred stage, whether green for cooking or fully ripe for eating. The role of data and automation. Modern banana megafactories rely heavily on data to optimize operations. Sensors and Internet of Things (IoT) devices collect real-time data across the production line. This data helps operators monitor performance, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. For instance, predictive analytics can forecast demand trends, allowing factories to adjust production schedules and reduce waste. Automation is another game changer. From robotic arms sorting bananas to machines handling intricate packaging tasks, automation reduces the need for manual labor, enhances precision, and increases overall efficiency. The integration of AI further amplifies these benefits, enabling factories to adapt to changing market demands seamlessly. Global trade and distribution. Once processed, bananas and banana products are distributed worldwide. Factories play a pivotal role in ensuring these products reach markets in optimal condition. Advanced logistics systems track shipments in real time, providing updates on temperature, humidity, and transit conditions. This ensures that fresh bananas remain unblemished and processed products retain their quality during transport. Global trade agreements and certifications, such as fair trade and organic, also impact banana distribution. Many factories adhere to these standards, promoting ethical sourcing and environmental stewardship. Emerging trends in banana processing. The future of banana megafactories is exciting, with emerging technologies poised to transform the industry further. Blockchain technology, for example, is being explored to enhance traceability. With blockchain, consumers can trace their bananas back to the plantation, verifying details such as farming practices and fair trade compliance. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also opening new possibilities. AI systems can predict equipment maintenance needs, optimize production lines, and even develop new banana-based products by analyzing market trends. Additionally, advancements in robotics are making factories more agile and efficient. Innovative uses for bananas. Beyond food, bananas are finding applications in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and biodegradable materials. Banana extracts, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, are increasingly used in skincare products. Banana starch is being used to develop biodegradable packaging, aligning with global sustainability goals. Conclusion. Banana megafactories are a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. These facilities not only meet the growing global demand for bananas but also set new standards for efficiency, sustainability, and product innovation. From automated peeling machines to blockchain-enabled traceability, the modern banana factory is a hub of innovation, shaping the future of the banana industry. As technology continues to evolve, banana megafactories will play an even more critical role in feeding the world while promoting sustainability. The next time you enjoy a banana or a banana-based product, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken, powered by the marvels of modern technology. From the plantation to your table, the journey of a banana is a marvel of modern technology and innovation. Banana megafactories aren't just about processing millions of bananas, they're about efficiency, sustainability, and delivering quality products we all love. So, the next time you enjoy a banana or your favorite banana-based snack, remember the incredible technology that made it possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of modern production.